In a breaking update that is now coming in as far as the political showdown is concerned over the Shah Commission report, the DMK has been taking on the centre, with the DMK MP Dayanidhi Maran accusing the Vice President and the Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar of being biased towards the BJP, says that he may be eyeing the post of the President. Maran also said that the opposition has been facing an emergency-like situation in the last 10 years as central agencies are being misused. He also added that former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi had apologized to his father and other leaders about imposing emergency.
DMK was affected by emergency. In fact, after we opposed, including our leader, CM M.K. Stalin, my father, his father, all the senior leaders went to prison for more than a year. Later, Mrs. Indira Gandhi apologized. She apologized publicly that emergency was a mistake. What about the emergency happening for the last 10 years? Let's talk about those emergencies. We have the ED, CBI, income tax, going against only the opposition. The Vice President has to be neutral. All along we see the Vice President is only swaying towards the BJP. He's being loyal because probably he wants to become the President. He wants their support to become President, so he's asking all these questions.
Well, let's get an update from Varshini. Varshini, the opposition has been saying that at this time and period it is irrelevant as far as taking up the issue either of emergency or even when it comes to bringing out the details of this Shah report.
Well, absolutely, yes. The opposition parties, particularly if you see in Tamil Nadu, the DMK party was a party that was severely affected during the emergency period, and that is what even DMK's MP Dayanidhi Maran is speaking about. In spite of them being severely affected during the emergency, they still think that it's in the past and that we do not have to go back there to try and do politics right now. Rather, we have to focus on talking about the issues that are at present. In fact, he also speaks about how the last 10 years of the BJP government is also feels like an emergency time, and particularly for the opposition parties because they've been targeted and attacked by ED, CBI and IT is what his allegation is. And he also speaks about how probably the Vice President is bringing up this at this point of time because he wants to become the President, and probably that is why he's being biased at this point and taking BJP's side for the Shah Commission report. So the DMK clearly takes a stand here. They say, though they were the ones who were affected during the emergency, they say that this is just politics and they do not want to go back to the past and speak about it and rather focus on what is happening in the present.
Right, but what is the DMK point of view here? Because we are looking at not just the Congress, the DMK in a way also seems to be opposing as far as the call that has been made to table this report.
Well, absolutely, yes, because, the DMK party, which in fact saw heavy prison time. In fact, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin was in the prison during the emergency period. A lot of senior leaders today who are, a part of the DMK cabinet, who are part of the parliamentary committee of the DMK, all MPs, a lot of them and their family members were affected during this emergency, and the expectation of the DMK would also certainly be to re-examine this. But given the stance of the DMK at this point is that it is unnecessary to dwell in the past. We'll have to look forward and move on with the better, things to talk about and discuss about the future of this country is what the DMK is taking a stand at this point of time. They say, despite of whatever happened, apology has been accepted and we've moved on. Let's just live the present day is what the DMK is taking as a stand at this point of time.
All right. As far as the details of this particular news report is concerned, the demands that has been kept forth also by a BJP MP to table as far as the Shah Commission report on emergency is like, let's listen into what the Congress party has been saying because they have been calling it as diversionary tactics.
The issue raised by Deepak Prakash is just another way of diverting the attention of the general public from the real issues like price rise, like unemployment, corruption, minimum support price which has not been given, are also not happy with the government. So they are bringing up new cases, and I am surprised that Jagdeep Dhankar is bringing about such cases which are irrelevant in the present circumstances.